Hey everybody, Joe here from Avalon Accounting. In this video, we're looking at the Float corporate card, what it is, how it works, and whether it could be a good fit for your business. Float Financial is a Canadian company that offers corporate spending cards for businesses. These aren't personal credit cards. They're designed specifically for business use and they don't require a personal credit check or a personal guarantee. You can issue both physical and virtual cards through Float. They work for online or in-store purchases and you can assign them to individual team members. There are also controls that let you set spending limits or restrict the types of purchases that can be made. Float also offers a USD card for businesses that spend in US dollars. If you're paying for software or vendors in USD, this can help reduce foreign transaction fees, especially if you're funding it directly from a USD balance. One of the key features is flexibility. You can use Float on a prepaid basis by funding the cards yourself, or you can apply for their charge card option, which gives you access to a credit limit and up to 30 days to pay it. We'll break down how all of this works, including the software tools and fees. So all right, moving on here. There are two ways to use Float, either as a prepaid card or as a charge card. The right setup depends on how you want to manage spending and cash flow in your business. With the prepaid option, you transfer money into Float ahead of time. Then you and your team can use the funds from that balance. It's straightforward and you're only spending what you've already moved into that account. The charge card works a little bit differently. It gives you access to a credit limit that you can use throughout the month and you pay the balance in full on your billing date. There's no interest if you pay on time and you get up to 30 days to repay depending on your billing cycle. To apply for the charge card, your business needs to meet some eligibility requirements. Float looks at things like your business revenue, cash flow, and business history to decide whether you qualify and for how much. There's no personal credit check and you don't need to personally guarantee the account, which is a nice change from most traditional business cards. Whether you're using the prepaid or charge option, you can issue cards to team members, set spending controls, and track everything through Float's online platform. If your business regularly pays vendors, contractors, or software subscriptions in US dollars, Float's USD card might come in handy. It works similarly to the regular Float card, but lets you spend from a USD balance. That means you can avoid the typical 2.5 foreign exchange fee that most Canadian business cards charge when converting CAD to USD. You can hold funds in a USD wallet inside your Float account and fund it by converting CAD through Float or by receiving USD payments from clients. Once your wallet is funded, you can assign virtual or physical USD cards to your team and use them for any purchases made in US dollars. There's no need to open a US bank account, which makes things a lot easier for Canadian businesses that deal with cross-border expenses. It's a simple way to manage USD expenses without juggling multiple accounts or getting dinged with extra fees every time you pay a US invoice. Float isn't just a corporate card, it also comes with software tools that help you manage team spending in real time. You can issue cards to team members, set spending limits, and control where those cards can be used. If someone only needs a card for gas or software subscriptions, you can restrict it to just that. Each card can have its own spending rules. You can set daily, weekly, or monthly limits, restrict usage to certain merchants or categories, create one-time use cards for things like a specific event or purchase, and you can also pause or cancel a card instantly if it's lost or no longer needed. These controls make it easy to give your team the autonomy to spend while keeping oversight simple and clear. Float also makes receipt collection and approvals easier. Team members can get a text or email after they make a purchase, reminding them to upload a receipt and add a quick note about what it was for. You can also set up approval workflows. For example, if someone wants to request a card or increase their spending limit, it can go to a manager for review before it's approved. These features cut down on the back and forth emails and make expense tracking way less painful. Float connects with popular accounting software to help keep your books up to date without extra manual work. Float directly integrates with Xero, QuickBooks Online, NetSuite, and Sage Intacct. You can also export your data in CSV format if you're using a different system or want to upload transactions manually. Once connected, Float will sync your transactions into your accounting software with the right coding and attachments. You can map each card to a specific GL account, assign vendors, and even include receipts and notes that employees paid during that purchase. Depending on your current workflows, this can save a ton of time during month end, and it can make reconciliation a lot smoother. Because receipts are collected at the time of purchase, they show up right in your accounting software alongside the transaction. That gives you a clean audit trail and cuts down on chasing missing receipts later. If you're already using Xero or QuickBooks Online, Flow's integration is pretty seamless and a big plus for staying organized. Now let's talk about how much Float costs and what you get at each pricing level. Float has a free plan that includes access to prepaid or charge cards, basic spending controls and receipt collection, accounting integrations for Xero and QuickBooks. It's a solid option if you're just getting started and want to test the waters before committing to a paid plan. The professional plan includes access to everything in the free account, plus priority support and support with implementation, advanced spending controls and approval workflows, enhanced accounting automation, and direct connection to NetSuite. This plan is best suited for businesses with more active spenders or teams that need greater control and automation. For larger businesses, Float offers a custom-priced enterprise plan. It includes everything in the professional plan, plus things like custom implementation and data migration, dedicated customer success managers, custom charge credit terms with a dedicated underwriting team, and custom pricing and rewards. Overall, Float's pricing is pretty transparent. For many small businesses, the free Essentials plan is a great place to start. And for businesses with a few more employees or those in need of more thorough spend management processes, the professional plan is likely a great option as well. Float is a solid option for a lot of Canadian businesses, but it's not the perfect fit for everyone. Here are a few situations where it might not work as well. Float's charge card requires you to pay off your balance in full each month. There's no option to carry a balance and pay interest like you would with a traditional credit card. So if your business needs access to longer-term credit, you'll want to look at other options. While there's no personal guarantee or credit check, Float does require that your business has some financial history. If you're just getting started and haven't built up much revenue or cash flow yet, you may not qualify for the charge card right away. You can still use the prepaid card, but it means that you need to fund it from your own business bank account. Float offers cash back, but it doesn't link to traditional rewards programs like Aeroplan or personal credit card points. If you're loyal to a travel rewards program or use points for perks, Float's cashback setup might not have the same appeal. If you're looking for a flexible way to manage team spending, Float is definitely worth considering, especially if you're already using tools like Xero or QuickBooks Online. It gives you the control and visibility of a traditional expense management system without the hassle of manual tracking or chasing receipts. And with no personal guarantee or credit check, it's easier to get started compared to most traditional business card options. We've seen clients use Float to streamline their expense process, empower their teams, and cut down on administrative time. It's not perfect for every business, but if you're looking for a versatile corporate card and want to keep spending organized, Float can be a great fit. And I'll mention one last time that if you're ready to give it a try, there's a referral link in the description below. If you want to dive deeper into managing business expenses or improving your financial systems, check out the other videos on our channel or head over to our website at avalonaccounting.ca. We've got lots of practical tips and advice to help you run a smoother, more profitable business. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.